हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सौरभ क्लासेस। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड में से दो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज द मोस्ट हाई स्कोरिंग पोर्शन आल्सो as it requires only your basic mathematical and numerical skills. So people are used to get high scores as the problems are pretty much easy to solve. Okay. और यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो बेसिकली आपका उसमें आपका मैथ का नॉलेज सिर्फ क्लास 6 टू क्लास 10 में जो मैथमेटिकल नॉलेज आपको मिलता है उसी से ही आप ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हो। तो इसके लिए ये जो पोर्शन है ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है टू इंक्रीज योर टोटल मार्क्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला प्रॉब्लम, in how many years shall 2,500 invested at a rate of 8% simple interest per annum amount to 3,300? तो ये एक सिंपल इंटरेस्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। तो चलिए इसका सोल्यूशन शुरू करते हैं। By the question, the principal amount is 2,500, so we denote it as P equals to 2,500, and the rate is denoted by R, which is 8% per annum. Okay, and the amount will be 3,300. So we need to find the time period the time period it takes to reach this amount. We know the simple interest formula, which is PRT divided by 100, where T for the time and SI for the simple interest. So the simple interest is nothing but 3,300 minus 2,500, which is equals to 2,500 into 8 into T divided by 100. So from this equation, we just need to find the value of T, which is nothing but 3,300 minus 2,500, which is 800, is equals to 800 into 100 divided by 2,500 into 8 is equals to T, and this results in 4 years. So B is the right answer. Now let's see the next problem. A horse is tied with a rope of length 7 meter at one corner of a square field having side equal to 10 meter. The minimum possible area of the square field that is left ungrazed is what? Okay. So by the question, we have a square field, and at one corner a horse is tied up with a rope of length 7 meter. Okay. Now the length of the square field is 10 meter. Okay, the length of the square field is 10 meter. It not looks like square. Let me draw it again. So this is a square field, and at one corner we have a horse tied in a rope of length 7 meter, and the length of the square field is 10 meter. So we need to find the area which remains ungrazed by the horse. So the remain ungrazed area is nothing but this lined portion, this blue lined portion. And how can we find that area? We just subtract the total area. We just subtract the area grazed by the horse from the total area, and the grazing area is this yellow portion, which is 1/4 of pi r square. That means 1/4 of a area of a circle, and the total area is 10 square. Therefore, our answer is 10 square minus 1/4 into pi, which is 22/7 into r square. That means 7/2 square. As we already know that the length of the rope is 7 meter. Therefore, this reduces to 100 minus 1/4 multiplied by 22 into 7, 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. So our answer will be 100 minus 77 divided by 8. Okay. Sorry, here the radius is 7 meter. I made a mistake here. The area must be 7 meter, as this is not the length of rope. The length of rope is this. So this must be the area, the radius of the circle, which is 7 meter. Hence our answer will be 7 into 7. Hence we get 77. Here we get 22. Hence it reduces to 77 divided by 2. Okay. Therefore, this reduces to 100 minus 38.5, which is nothing but 61.5 meters square. So B is the right option. So we have solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sawrafsclasses.com. Thank you very much.